Welcome back, my friends. It's day number 6 of 13 days of Craft-O-Ween with Spellbinders. This is so much fun. I'm just having a blast making these and attaching them to these little gift bags. I'm not doing tons of work on these. These are just simple, easy to put together gift bags. I'm meaning them to be simple because there's not enough time in the day to go elaborate with these. They're just something for my grandkids to give away. Now, you could totally go super elaborate with these, but I'm just showing you mainly what the dies themselves look like and the size of them, and that is my purpose for this little series. So I hope you're enjoying yourself. I hope you're having fun with the ideas that I'm putting together and just having fun opening the days with me. So let's open number 6 together and see what we end up getting. Oh, look, he looks my little Liam all dressed up for Halloween. Have a bone rattling Halloween. I'm gonna have to tell my daughter she needs to dress him up like a skeleton. He would be so cute. My little Liam is 2 years old, and he is just a precious, precious little thing. He's just so precious. And he's just, this little guy just makes me think of him because he's so little. But this is adorable. I really like this one. So we're going to have fun with this one. Have a bone rattling Halloween. I love it. And I love that they've put a sentiment with each one of these. And of course we have the sentiments right here in the set with us, along with a full pack of sequins to play with as well, along with all 13 packages of dies. This is a great deal with all of this. If you're into Halloween, this is right up your alley. And this is precious. Look at the baby cauldron and the baby broom and the witch's hat. Don't forget that witch's hat. You could use that on other stuff for sure. That is definitely something we will be using on different things because that is just too precious. Goodness. Okay, let me go play. So this one here is a little bit tricky. I would say it just has a few more extra pieces. Now, the back of this one comes with an actual die for behind the mouth and face features. Some of the sets do not have the back pieces and some do. So I use scraps for some and the other ones have the right pieces that go. Now, this one has the tiniest of pieces out of all of the sets. These little cheeks and then the little hip bones are going to be these next tiniest of dots right here. These are literally little tiny nibs. I mean, seriously, little itty bitty. But if you have the pickup type tool, they're not that hard. You just need to make sure you put a tiny bit of glue. And when you use the Sweet Magnolia press, like I'm using, it's not that difficult to achieve. You just want to make sure your tip on the glue gun is clean. It doesn't have like the little bit of snot there at the end, and that it's ready to just come out lightly. And that's, as long as it's clean, it will do that for you. So you're layering up the arms here, which gives you the rest of the skeleton. And then everything has like a little glue point where you put your glue to put behind the body, which just makes it easier to know exactly where you're putting that glue to adhere to the back of the body. So it really makes it easy to be able to attach everything. And you can put these arms any direction you want to. I'm following the actual packaging there, but you could change it up if you wanted to. Now, this little cauldron has a tiny little bit of ooze coming out of it, I guess you would say. We've got this little gray piece here that hangs right out of it. So we're going to add a little bit of glue right there and have that coming out right there. And using the pick just to move it around just a little bit to make sure it's right in place. I swear, this just reminds me of Liam. It's so cute. And if you notice, the skeleton, is he a skeleton dressed as a witch? Or is he a little boy dressed as a skeleton that's dressed as a witch? I think that's so cute. He's like dressed up 2 times. But maybe just the skeleton is trying to dress up for Halloween. Maybe that's it. So I think it's adorable. Really, there's some thought into the design here. I think it's really cute. So I had a lot of fun with this one as well. And it also is going onto an alcohol background. I got cut off on that last alcohol background, but this one is going on an alcohol background as well. And it has some of the silver, I don't remember what it's called. It's like the metal alcohol from Tim Holtz. And it's got some of that in the background, so it looks really mysterious. And I really like it. So this sample is coming up here right after I glue this on. So I hope you're enjoying these little short videos. I'm having a lot of fun with them.